The Whirlpool Top Load Washer with the 2-in-1 Removable Agitator is user-friendly, it's sleek, and it makes doing laundry a breeze. I'm a homeschooling work-from-home mom of 4, and I am constantly looking for ways to make doing chores easier. It has given me peace of mind knowing that my smart and efficient appliances are saving me both time and money. The load and go feature saves me from adding detergent each time I do a load. And the deep water wash is perfect for bulky items like dog beds and comforters that get washed often. And it's so nice that you can take out the agitator to make room for larger items. It cuts down on the overall time it takes me to finish my laundry, and now I just run one cycle and it does the job. Also, because of the larger capacity, I end up doing fewer loads a day. Whirlpool offers more cleaning performance, great features, all in a sleek design. And with the top load washer, it gives me peace of mind knowing that I'm both saving time and money.